Hello everyone, in front of me is Infinix HOT 30 Pro, and let me show you how to activate and use camera timer. First of all, open your camera app. Now, from settings list, select timer, which is over here, and now click 3, 5 or 10 seconds delay, whichever you want to apply. Then let's go back, and now we can capture screen, capture a photo with a selected delay. So you will notice the countdown on your screen. Once you've got your sound active, you will also hear the last 3 countdown, and that's it. Then the picture is grabbed. Now whenever you want to switch the timer off, mark settings, select timer, and click on off. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.